Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa na another reading, and this is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Libra at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung makikita po natin ngayong mensahe para sa iyo. At ito po ay gagawin kong isang pangkalatang pagbasa para po sa taong 2024 dahil meron po nag-request po sa ating isang subscriber na gusto po niyang malaman kung ano yung mangyayari sa buong taon. So, ang gagawin ko po ay babasahin natin yung iyong career, pera, trabaho, and then susunod po yung pag-ibig. Ngayon, hahatiin ko po siya ng bawat quarter ng taon. So, para makita natin kung ano po yung mangyayari. Okay? Pero bago po lahat, tignan muna natin kung ano yung pinaka-general na mensahe na gusto yung iparating sa inyo, Libra. We have self-reliance. Don't be afraid to fly solo. Okay? Knowledge. Seek knowledge. And then, children. Know that your children are protected. Okay, Libra. Ang sinasabi dito is mag-focus ka, of course, sa iyong sarili at huwag ka matakot na mag-solo, no? On your own. Kasi yung iba parang nakakagalaw lang sila kapag meron silang kasama o kagrupo. Parang if things or may mga bagay silang dapat nilang gawin na nagre-require na sila lang, hindi nila agad magawa ito kasi maybe they're afraid na na magkamali, na walang tutulong kasi siya lang mag-isa. Yung feeling of independent, wala, no? Kung gaba you're very clingy, kailangan mo lagi ng somebody to hold on to. Ganun yung dating eh. Kasi sabi dito, matuto ka na to stand on your own, no? Maging malakas ang loob mo na ipakita na kayang-kaya mo maging independent. Kayang-kaya mo na gawin itong isang bagay na ikaw lamang ang kailangan para matupad. Okay? And of course, that would mean that i-increase your knowledge. No? Dagdagan mo yung kaalaman para sigurado na ma-build up yung confidence na yon to do things on your own. And if you have children, kung meron ka mga anak, at o kaya isang anak, huwag ka matakot dahil alam mo sila ay may nagbabantay sa kanila. They're being protected. Okay? So, you don't worry about them at all. Okay? So, tignan natin sa tarot kung ano yung mababasa natin para sa buong taon. We have the Death card, the Two of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. The Queen of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Nine of Cups. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Chariot. We have the Four of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and Temperance. Overall is the Nine of Wands and the King of Cups. Okay, Libra. Yung sabihin natin general, no? Yung nakikita natin dito for the first quarter, which is January, February, March. You will start yung January, something that is ending, no? May nagtatapos dito sa pagpasok ng January na nangangailangan ng pagbabago. I'm talking about your career, money, and and job, okay? Merong kailangang mabago. I think you're thinking of your work kasi maybe you have difficulty with scheduling, no? Yung pagbabalanse ng schedule mo pagdating sa work and family, considering kasi may mga children dito. So, kung gaba parang hirap ka to balance things. Kasi, ang daming responsibility, no? And you wanted things to transform, mabago. Sana mabago yung takbo ng buhay ko. So maybe that's what you've been trying to think about, yung takbo ng career mo. Kasi nga, maybe yung work in itself is also very stressful. Ang daming, kung gaba hindi siya simple na ginagawa, no? Isang simpleng trabaho, ngunit ito ay nagre-require sa iyo ng maraming pagbabalanse ng iyong oras, trabaho, pag-iisip, dedikasyon, lahat. Pagdating ng February na to, na talagang kung gaba yung pag-file o dagdag pa ng trabaho, lalo dumadami as the months proceeds, no? Kaya ikaw, in a way, at the end of the last quarter is medyo defensive ka na, no? You're very protective of yourself. Kung teka muna, parang sa pakiramdam mo sobra-sobra yung ginagawa mo na, to a point na hindi mo na nga kaya mabalanse yung sarili mo o yung trabaho mo. Kaya medyo parang in a way is you are trying to say, wait a second, teka muna, baka naman can you reassess o can you reassign or can you give me another task to do? Kasi nga hindi na pantay, hindi na tama. Hindi ko na, in a way, parang hirap ka na kayanin. Kaya pagdating ng second quarter, I think this is something na talagang, because you have opened up, no, you have discussed this, you've decided na pagdating ng second quarter na, okay, I will show more that I can do this on my own. Kasi nga dito yung self-reliance, no? And that would make me more happy. And I think it's more of a wish fulfillment. Na talagang kaya ko naman on my own. I don't have to rely on this work, on this job. Kasi the way I see things, naman ako I'm very independent person. I know how to give myself yung discipline na yon, and I have the right knowledge para to pursue whatever I want. Kasi pagpasok nga ng third quarter dito, there was an offer, no, sa'yo in terms of work, that would bring in stability and security pagdating sa finances mo. And you will move forward for this. Ibig sabihin yung movement, no, magiging mabilis. I think promotion is mas mabuti, much better, mas faster, mas may pera, mas kikita, mas masaya ka. Yung offer na to. Pagdating nung third quarter of the year, that will be July, August, September. Okay? Kesa na-compare mo nung first quarter of the year na medyo, kasi nga ito yung nag-iisip ka na kailangan mabago na to. Hindi na ako hindi ko na kaya kung gaba hindi tama yung nangyayari. Kaya pagdating nung last quarter of the year, no, you were able to take that rest, no, that you meditated, you take that rest, you prayed. Ngayon, may equal give and take na. Pantay na, patas na. Kung gaba yung dating wini-wish mo na hindi patas, no, ito yun, hindi patas, ngayon patas na. Makita mo yung difference? Dito is talagang hindi mo alam paano babalansehin. Pero dito, with the scale, it's balance. So, kung gaba yung pinaghirapan mo, yung nagiging issue mo nung first quarter, hindi na issue pagdating ng last quarter of the year. Heading towards December, no? Hindi na. Yung dati nag-i-struggle ka, first quarter of the year, last quarter, hindi na. Kasi nga, I think you manifested, no? You manifested, you prayed, sinabi mo na, kay dear God, na please, tulungan niyo naman ako dito sa work kong to, na hindi maging madali po for me, na kayanin ko po to on my own, bigay niyo po sa akin yung tamang knowledge, para po alam ko yung gagawin ko, na all those things. And I think it was granted to you. It was a wish fulfillment, no? The Nine of Cups, na wish fulfillment na mag-equal. Kaya naman, di ba, both two cards are all about equal, balance, equal give and take. Temperance is making you heal. Pinagagaling ka nito para maging balance ka. For you to be balanced with your emotion and with your logic, para hindi ka hirap, no? Pantay. Kaya mo. And here, kasi sa last quarter, overall energy is, of course, the King of Cups is, you are in love with what you're doing. You are in love with what you're doing. Compare mo dito sa first quarter ng taon is, you're so tired. Pagod ka na. You're so tired and talagang as if you're just waiting for things to happen. Pero hindi ka naman nag-give up. You did not give up. You prayed. You asked for guidance. And somehow, an offer came. May nag-offer sa'yo, something very solid. That's why you move forward. Nag-move forward ka talaga. Gumalaw ka. Kasi may nag-offer. And that's what's gonna happen pagdating sa iyong career. Something very nice and positive. No? Kaya nga, huwag ka matakot. Don't be afraid to go solo. If you're planning to do something na put up your own business, mag-online, sabi ko nga, magiging freelance, you can do this. Just make sure that you are equipped with the right knowledge, no? Yung tamang pag-iisip o tamang kaalaman para magawa mo to, matupad mo to. And if you're concerned nga sa mga anak mo, don't be, kasi your children are being looked after. No? They're being looked after. Ngayon, pagdating naman sa love life, it's the same thing na sinabi natin sa umpisa, Libra. Your relationship needs a change. Kailangan ng pagbabago yung relationship mo. Pagbabago na magkaroon ng patas na atensyon at pagmahal. Kasi sa ngayon parang nahihirapan ka to give that proper time and affection sa person mo. To a point na nagiging defensive ka na. Itong first quarter, no? Yung tama kasing love and attention, hindi mo mabigay. Kaya, yun yung nangangailangan ng pagbabago. Okay? Pagdating ng second quarter, I think things will change. Kasi andito yung Queen of Cups, the Ten of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. It's all about love. No? Pag-ibig, emotion, naramdaman mo yung kaligayahan na to pagpasok ng second quarter of the year. You are in love. Or your person have really showed that love to you. No? Kaya naman ikaw, masaya ka. You felt, I think you found love. Yung talagang love na masasabi natin. Kaya masaya ka. No? It was a wish fulfillment for you. And then pagdating ng third quarter, I think there was a solid offer from your person to be more stable. No? Parang pinapakita niya na sa'yo itong third quarter na, hey, may plano ako para sa atin. This is what I wanted. I want you to know and I want you for us to talk about kung ano yung magiging future natin together. At wala akong plano na sabihin natin na hanggang salita lang. Hindi. Ang gusto kong gumalaw ito. No? I want this to move, to chariot. I want this to be fulfilled, matupad. You know, that's why pagdating ng last quarter, you are praying. You know, you're praying very hard for that equal give and take at, you know, matupad dito. For this relationship to be balanced and be fulfilled and to heal, no? Na matupad talaga ng yung equal give and take namin. Kasi kung may issue before na hindi nga mabalanse, now you want things to change and that changes ito na yun. Na maging maayos kayo. Patas yung pagbibigay at pagtatanggap. No? Not like what happened in the first quarter ng taon. I think you will end up being happy nga kasi it started during the second quarter of the year na masaya ka and you felt really in love. Kasi pagdating nga nitong second part of the year, no, that love, that offer of love is there, the King of Cups. We have a mate, no? The King and the Queen of Cups. So, andito yung mag-partner. No? Andito yung mag-partner. So, there is a match. Kung mapatas na kayo, you're both on the same page. Okay? Kaya, kung yung dati akala mo wala lang, walang katuparan yung naiisip mo, this time, I think your person now is really serious about you, about the relationship. Okay? And maybe in the future, iniisip niya, maybe about children, no? Na pag-uusapan na yung mga bata. O ano yung plano nyo? Ilan ba yung magiging pamilya nyo? Parang ganun eh. Ganun yung dating. Okay? So, I think things will be okay. Ayusin nyo lang. No? We need to be communicative about this. Be honest about it. No? Really open your heart para malaman yung person mo kung ano talaga yung plano, ano yung gusto, ano yung gustong baguhin. Okay? So, tanong natin, yung person ba ni Libra, magkakatuluyan ba sila talaga? Magkakatuluyan ba talaga sila? It says here no. Kasi may pagka-toxic yun. Maybe this one. The first person that got in is quite toxic. Yung susunod na mamimit niya, ni Libra, yun na ba ang makakatuluyan niya? Yun na ba yung makakatuluyan na? Yes. Ito na nga. So, siya na yung makakatuluyan mo. Yung second. But the first one is no. I want you to show the cards. Defensive ka dati, no? But, yung pagiging defensive mo maybe has a point. Kung bakit ka naging defensive before. Because you are trying to wait. You're trying to wait for this person. Yung dadating nga na magiging makatuluyan mo na. Ayan, tignan natin. Tignan natin. Kailan magiging sila nung person niya, yung second one. It says here, create space for it to happen sooner. Create space for it to happen sooner. So, depende sa'yo kung kailan mangyayari ito. Kasi, you need to create space. Kung gaba nga, kung andito pa sa picture yung ex mo, itong dati, hindi papasok itong bago. So, maybe pag nawala na to, tsaka papasok itong offer na to, itong may in love ka, mangyayari to pag ready ka na. That's how I see it. Hindi yung, kaya nga, magiging ready ka kung wala na tong isa. Kasi sa ngayon, meron pa eh. You need to free yourself from this other person for that new person to come in. Okay? So, yun yung sinasabi dito. Okay, Libra, I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.